In order to properly wash your synthetic or heat-friendly synthetic hairpiece with the Jon Renau Synthetic Care Kit, you will also need a towel and a wig head. Now you're ready to wash your hairpiece. To start, using a wide tooth comb, gently comb through the hair to remove any tangles. Next, rinse your hairpiece with room temperature water. Take care to place hand inside the cap and hold it at the top of the hairpiece. Next, lather with a small amount of the shampoo. Take care to keep all hairs going in the same direction. It is also important to avoid rubbing the hair, as this may cause tangling. With cool water, rinse your wig until the water runs clear. Wrap your wig in a towel and gently pat dry to remove any excess water. Gently comb through with the Jon Renau wide tooth comb to remove any tangles. Next, you'll use the Jon Renau conditioning spray. Spray 3 to 5 pumps towards the middle and ends of your hairpiece, careful to avoid the base. Place your synthetic hairpiece on a wig head to air dry. Take care not to blow dry. Gently comb through with your wide tooth comb to remove any tangles. If you want to change the parting of your synthetic hairpiece, now is the time to do it before it has fully dried. We recommend daily use of the HD Smooth Detangler. Each spray conditions and adds shine to your hairpiece. You can spray this when your wig is damp or dry. The Jon Renau Synthetic and Heat-Friendly Synthetic Hair Care Kit is available to shop now at HairWeavon.com.